Here is Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, expressing his delight about Microsoft's partnership with OpenAI. The partnership between the two companies could be the beginning of the highly intelligent AGI that could outperform humans' cognitive abilities. It could as well offer some economic benefits to Microsoft, as well as lay the foundation to ultimately take over OpenAI. Here are the good and evil about Microsoft's long-term future plans with OpenAi's ChatGPT. Shared vision. The partnership between Microsoft and OpenAI will enable them to work hand in hand to achieve their shared goals. The first common aim of the two technology companies is to create artificial intelligence platforms that would benefit users. OpenAI, for instance, is committed to coming up with AI systems that can solve human issues in a safe and secure manner that is also socially beneficial. A typical example is their ChatGPT 3 bot that performs a wide range of tasks ranging from the easiest ones such as writing poems, solving puzzles, replying to emails, and the likes to doing the most difficult tasks, including writing codes. This goal is in line with Microsoft's AI for Good initiative that sponsors individuals and groups by providing technology and resources to empower organizations working to solve global challenges to the environment, humanitarian issues, accessibility, health, and cultural heritage. Secondly, OpenAI has a target of using AI to empower humanity by trying to find answers to complicated questions and making difficult tasks more simple. A reason for their partnership with Microsoft is to create a new and more comprehensive search engine, Bing. Again, this goal is in line with Microsoft's vision to empower all persons and organizations to achieve more. This is why Bill Gates' Microsoft seeks to democratize AI, to make it available and easily accessible to all individuals. Satya Nadella announced this goal through Microsoft's partnership with OpenAI, stating that, "We formed our partnership with OpenAI around a shared ambition to responsibly advance cutting-edge AI research and democratize AI as a new technology platform." In this next phase of our partnership, developers and organizations across industries will have access to the best AI infrastructure, models, and toolchain with Azure to build and run their applications. With these common goals, the partnership between the two companies will enable them to work together using OpenAi's ChatGPT and other AI to develop technology that empowers humanity. The partnership might lead to the realization of the ultimate goal of AI research, which is AGI. We will talk more about artificial general intelligence later in the video, so keep watching. Economic benefits. Microsoft aims at reaping economic benefits from the partnership with OpenAI. Firstly, as the two companies partner to create supercomputing artificial intelligence technologies, Microsoft will be the sole provider of cloud computing services to OpenAI, cementing Microsoft's position over other providers such as Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services, Oracle Cloud, etc. Again, in addition to OpenAI licensing some of its technology to Microsoft for commercialization, Microsoft Azure will be the sole platform for the standardization of all OpenAI technologies. Satya Nadella gives further insight about Microsoft Azure and the possibility of Microsoft products accessing OpenAI's products. Aside from these, OpenAI's technology will be used to develop tools for Microsoft's customers, such as banking and insurance companies, to be used in their operations to prevent fraudulent transactions and for general customer satisfaction. This places Microsoft in a position to indirectly benefit from the services of OpenAI. Lastly, the partnership is a way to open other markets around the globe for Microsoft through OpenAI's global network of partners. Expanded markets could lead to increased revenue for Microsoft. The partnership even be a part of the gradual process of taking over OpenAI. We will delve deeper into that in a minute. Stick with us. Stay updated with the latest news about artificial intelligence. Hit the subscribe button to join our family, and you will never miss any information about AI. Artificial general intelligence. The ultimate goal of artificial intelligence research and central to OpenAI is the quest to achieve artificial general intelligence, AGI, according to Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI. Unlike the current artificial narrow intelligence (ANI), AI, which performs specific tasks such as analyzing images, recognizing speeches, playing games, and the likes. AGI is a hypothetical form of artificial intelligence that would be able to perform cognitive and intellectual tasks that humans can perform. In theory, AGI would outperform humans by using patterns across domains to make well-informed decisions. Some AI experts and skeptics, on the other hand, think this is not attainable. Even if it is, it will take decades to achieve. However, the partnership between Microsoft and OpenAI, a top 3 artificial intelligence research company, could lay the foundation for AGI. With the recent increase in demand for supercomputing capabilities, it won't be long before we see AGI materialize. AGI would be of great benefit to humanity solving some issues such as climate change, healthcare issues, and the likes. Acquiring OpenAI. Microsoft's plans with OpenAi's ChatGPT come with some good sides, but also downsides. For instance, humans might be affected negatively should the two companies succeed in developing AGI technology. Despite its advantages, AGI could lead to technologies that would eventually replace human labor. In effect, many would have to lose their sources of income to AGI technology. Another downside of the partnership is that OpenAI could be at the losing end sometime to come, in the sense that the partnership could be geared towards Microsoft's ultimate future plan of owning OpenAI and its technology. Making Microsoft the exclusive provider of cloud computing services to OpenAI could be the first step in taking over. Moreover, OpenAI is already very dependent on Microsoft's technology and financial backing, making it quite unlikely and costly for the AI lab to switch to new partnerships. Do you think Microsoft could own OpenAI in the future? Let us know what you think of this in the comments section below. There is also an ongoing war between Microsoft and Google because of OpenAi's ChatGPT. Get in-depth information about that in the next video. Click on the link to watch and share with your friends as well. See you next time.
End of story. Bye-bye.